Next stock to trade, ticker Bird. This is a perfect short situation on this chart. This is a staircase pattern. You see movement to the downside, consolidation, movement to the downside again, consolidation, and on Friday we got a movement to the downside one more time. Price established new all-time low. Red candle closed at the low of the day, 7 FV. This is $7 fair value calculated revenue per year with 4 multiples. So in my opinion, if price breaks $10 marks, it can fall to $7 quickly, and this is good risk reward trade. Local level $11 established by this reversal, confirmed by this reversal, and on Friday price confirmed also this level, consolidation on 5-minute chart, false breakout, and rejection at the end of the day one more time. So I want to short this stock between 10.90 and $11 with a stop loss 12 cents and profit target number one $10, $9, $8 and $7.